Hey guys, welcome back to Benify. Today we are going to learn about linear search. Linear search. So, why do we use linear search? Let's say we have some array one, two, three, four, five. We have five elements, and I want to grab three. So we will be checking one by one. If we get the three, then yeah, we find that. So it's simple. So we now need to know about the time complexity and space complexity. So we have the cases, right? We have the best case, average case, and worst case. The best case is O of 1, so average case is O of n, worst case is O of n. So this is the time complexity. So why O of n best case? So if I want to search 1, so I can do it right away, the first element. So I'm not searching harder. What is an average case? Like I want to get this. It will anyway take that much amount of time, right? So that's an average case. Worst case is the last one. So that's about the time complexity. So space complexity. So in case of space complexity, so there are we can do it by iterative method. The next one is recursive. So iterative it is O of 1, recursive is O of n. So we'll be knowing about this thing. We'll be seeing the code, how actually it is done. So yeah, so let's do it. So I'm using C sharp to write the code. Okay, first we can go with the iterative approach. Have a method, public, static, and iterative. Have an argument of array as well as the target. Okay, so we got it. So first, if the array is null, then we need to throw some exception as always. Okay, so if it's null, that code name, we can have a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length. We'll be knowing the length and I plus plus. So it will be running from 0 to the array length, whatever it is. Have a condition. If array I, that is I equal to target, then we can return, right? Return the value or something. If not, we can return -1. So this is the recursive search implementation. Uh, so I hope uh, everyone now knows why recursion, now the iterative is O of 1 because of thing to save here, right? So these are simple things, and only we need to how the memory.
So that's it, guys. Thank you.